Welcome back to Lingoni English. In this video, we will use the verb be to describe feelings. For example, I'm happy. I am happy. I'm sad. I'm hot.
Brian is happy. Brian's happy. Brian's sad. Brian's hot.
Emily is tired. Emily's tired. Emily's hungry. Emily's cold.
You're tired.
I am tired.
He's tired.
You're happy.
I am happy.
She's happy.
Are you hot?
Yes, I am.
He's hot.
Are you cold?
Yes, I am.
She's cold. Am, is, and are come from the verb be. So, I am happy. You are happy. He is happy. She is happy. You can say, I am hungry, but I'm hungry is more common. So for example, I am often becomes I'm. I'm hungry. You are often becomes you're. You're hungry. She is often becomes she's. She's hungry. He is often becomes he's. He's hungry.
When you answer a question, you can say yes or yes, I am, but you cannot say yes, I'm. This is the same for you, she, and he. For example, you can say yes, you are, but not yes, you're. You can say, yes, he is, but not, yes, he's. And you can say, yes, she is, but not, yes, she's. How do you feel? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you hungry? Are you tired?
Thanks for watching. Are you ready to learn more American English? We're launching Lingoni English, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below to get all our updates. See you soon!